And thank you for watching the Sewing Doctor in New York. This time I have a white 542310. Crazy machine. It's a very old machine, but I'm gonna go inside, open it up and check it out. I'll make some videos for you so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. Very, very old machine, but seems to be a very good This is the machine I was talking about. It's running very, very slow. When you press on the foot pedal, it almost doesn't go. You know, it's very, very slow. So the issue that this is gonna happen is basically inside this motor. I'm gonna take these two screws out, pull it out, and then I'm going to change the brushes inside. There's two brushes in each side. You have a black cap. Under the black cap you have two little brushes. I already have a video on that. I'm not going to take it out and make a video on it, but I just want to show you the difference between very, very slow and now. Once I already replaced the brushes on it, it will be perfectly fine because there was nothing wrong with this machine. You know, it's working fine, just very, very slow. So here's the machine now. This is the machine that was running very slow. Now it's running very fast, as you can see. Very, very fast. I do want to point out something to you guys that keep in mind also. I changed the brushes inside the motor, which I already make a video on that, so you could go and check change brushes on the sewing machine motors. But I want to show you, this is the actual inside of the foot. When you look at this and this goes, when you press on the foot pedal here, you're going to see that this little boy here is going to start moving to the right. That's for low speed, medium speed, and high speed. This also was kind of bent up a little bit for so much time being used. So what I did, I took a little plier and I squeezed it in here and just kind of bend it down so it makes a little more pressure into these little boys here, because this is what gave you the low, medium, and high speed. You see now, when they start moving, when I start pressing, they start moving. Right now would be a medium speed, a little faster, and it goes to the last one, it will be very fast. So this is something that you could also do. Remember, if you want to work with this, you know, it's just a cover. You just gotta pull out the cover, unplug the machine before you do it, and then just take something and squeeze it. You want this little level here to actually touch more with the actually voice over here, so that will give you also more speed. Even though I changed the actually brushes inside, the speed was not high enough. So I find out that this was also not making nice contact, okay? I already changed the new brushes inside. Like I said, I cleaned the foot pedal and I want to show you. Now look at this. Really high speed, really. And look at the stitch, my God. Perfect stitch, look at this. This is a Y machine, no model number or anything on it. And, you know, I don't know, it doesn't have a model number on it. So it's a very old machine, but it works very nice, and it's a very strong machine. You know what I mean? Like, it will give you. Thank you for watching again. The Sewing Doctor. This is the machine. It's working beautiful now. It's working at very high speed. I would say more than 900 stitches per minute. I will go into between maybe 1200 and 1300 stitches per minute. Very, very fast. Faster than most popular home machines. Thank you for watching the Sewing Doctor. Bye bye.